Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sketch drawing. First, gather your essential tools: a few pencils of varying hardness, a sketchbook or paper, and a kneaded eraser. Find a comfortable spot with good, even lighting to prevent harsh shadows on your drawing surface. Begin by selecting a simple object, perhaps a single piece of fruit or a basic geometric shape, to practice your initial observations and hand movements. Now, let's build the foundation of your sketch. Start by observing your chosen object and breaking it down into simple geometric forms like circles, squares, and triangles. Lightly sketch these basic shapes, focusing on their relative sizes and positions. Use very light lines, almost invisible, to establish the overall proportions and angles, ensuring your drawing fits well on the page. With your basic structure in place, it's time to refine the details. Begin to add the specific features and contours of your subject, slowly transforming the geometric forms into recognizable elements. Next, introduce shading to give your drawing depth and volume. Pay close attention to your light source. Notice where the light falls brightest and where the deepest shadows lie, using a range of pencil pressures. For the final touches, gently erase any remaining construction lines that are no longer needed, cleaning up your sketch. Then, go back over the important lines, strengthening them to define the final outline and bring out key details. Step back and review your drawing from a distance of about 2 feet. This helps you assess the overall balance, proportions, and visual impact of your completed sketch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.